everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to play a rainy day sorting game. Yes. Look at these picture cards carefully. Some pictures show things we use or see on a rainy day. And some pictures are not related to a rainy day. Okay. We have two groups here, right?
Yeah.
One is rainy day. Another one is not a rainy day.
Yeah.
So if the picture shows something we use on a rainy day, paste it under rainy day. For example, umbrella. Umbrella we use on a rainy day. If it is something we don't normally need for a rainy day, paste it under not a rainy day. For example, a beach ball. Do we use beach ball on a rainy day?
No.
No, it is on a not a rainy day. Are you all ready to do the activity?
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin with Ritvik.